Hiking can play a crucial role in fostering mental health within a community. When people come together to hike, it creates a sense of belonging and support among individuals facing similar mental health challenges. The shared experience of hiking allows for open conversations, empathy, and understanding, breaking down the barriers of isolation and stigma often associated with mental health issues. Being in nature during group hikes provides a soothing and therapeutic environment that promotes relaxation, stress reduction, and improved mood. Additionally, the physical activity involved in hiking releases endorphins, boosting overall mental well-being. Ultimately, the combination of community support, outdoor exploration, and physical activity makes hiking a powerful tool for enhancing mental health within a supportive and inclusive community.